You guys are subscriber. Welcome back. You know it's your boy Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. Sorry about the extended delay where we not get to drop no video. Based upon of the weather. You know, however, the weather is out of our control. So in today's video, some salsa sauce today, grilled chicken breast. And that's how we are do. So the salsa sauce can serve as a topping and whatever. It can serve with chicken, fish, whatever you are gonna be having it with. But however, I'm gonna do it in a mango pineapple. Yeah man, thank you for supporting Caribbean Vibes Cooking. Thank you for always following Caribbean Vibes Cooking. So you know, Chris is come, everybody with up on the river. New faces as usual always come out on the Caribbean Vibes Cooking vlog. So we're using some chicken breast. So I'm just cleaning up the chicken breast, the excess fat. So because it's grilled and it's a sandwich, so I'm gonna cut them thin. The chicken breast is one of the easiest meat to cook when it comes on to chicken. Breast have less muscle. In a 5-6 minutes, it's ready. So I'm gonna season up the chicken breast, make the salsa sauce first, and then after that I will be grilling the chicken breast. And dog is absent this week due to many persons know that he have a daughter in the digital rising star. So not everyone can go and show the support in the live show, but however, you know, the vlog have to continue. So we show our part by sharing on our social media platform and voting. Teamwork make the dream work.
Hi guys, I'm back on the vlog today. Long time no see me not here, but I'm here. You know, we're at the river, a nice location, first time here, and it's really beautiful. So I'm just gonna change and go in the water. Can't wait for the food.
Yes, so after slicing the chicken breast, so I don't want them too thin and I don't want them too thick. Rinsing them off with some vinegar. After rinsing them off, I'm going to put them back into this container where I'm going to be seasoning them up with my blended herbs and spice and also some dry powdered seeds. So I'm going to use some blended seasoning. And this is the second time shooting video at this location in Paradise, Westmoreland. And I choose to use this location because it's peace and quiet. Not many persons know about this location. Yeah, they know the river run across the road and stuff, and a lot of persons are at the front. But prior to that, when you come in the bush, walk on the banking of the stream, then that's when you will actually know that this location even exists. I'm gonna use some meat seasoning. A little bit. Not too much because the meat season have salt base in it. So this is one of our main season what we use in most of our video. Maggi chicken season. Maggi, you need to link up, man. You need to link with up, man. We'll use some dry garlic powder. Tend to use a lot of garlic. Everything that I'm doing, because garlic, I'm a person who really love garlic. Make the food nice, and garlic is healthy, you know. All purpose, dry season also. Yeah, Maggi same way. We'll use another all purpose. This time we're using a little Eve, all purpose. And gentle rub it, because you know it's chicken breast, it's soft and tender. Don't want to break it apart. Yes, so for the salsa sauce, I'm using some chopped up mango. So I'm cutting them according, cutting them even. Using some purple onion, little herbs, scallion, just a little piece of thyme, fresh thyme in it. Pineapple, a little piece of tomato. So as I was saying before, it's actually topping and it can serve with a variety of things. So I'm making this topping just to enhance the flavor of the grilled chicken breast sandwich. Guys, I feel good being back on this scene, you know. Man, you know, it seems like rain are gonna fall, so trying to speed up this video so I can get it finished up. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the same with the bell pepper. Yeah, I'm gonna add just a little bit of vegetable oil. So you can use vegetable oil, you can use olive oil, coconut oil, prefer oil of your choice. Yeah, oil hot, add in herbs and spice, mango, pineapple, tomato, bell pepper. So I'm going to use some natural lime juice. So you can substitute if you don't have natural lime, you can use lime juice itself. Just strain off because now the seeds are going in it. So I want it to have a sweet and a little sourness to the topping. So many preserves, you can't find natural honey, use brown sugar when making the salsa. We're using some honey. You know, I'm always promoting a healthy lifestyle, so you know, honey is the perfect way to go. We're just going to saute them for at least 3 or 4 minutes. Yeah, my people, so this is how salsa look like. It's a topping, so you don't want it to cook out. You want it to maintain a firm balance to it. Yeah, like a rum break, you know? Yeah, man, big up dog on his way to Kingston. Yo, yeah, man, safe journey, bro. Chef Gary, big up yourself, brother. Man, we have so many new faces on the channel today. Jonah as always, now left out the channel. Never. Yeah, man, so whole heap of new faces with up on the channel today, guys. So, we just take a rum break. And get everything organized. Yeah, Caribbean vibes cooking, we're the best in every category, you know? Yeah. Chrissy, I learned to hold baby. Your time so come, Chrissy. Chrissy, yeah. People, Chrissy shaking head. Don't be free forever. Okay, let's.
All the kids here want and beat you God. All the kids here want. The kids here want
Good?
Guys, so I'm turning the chicken breast so they can get the color and the lining of the grill. So you know it's grilled chicken breast sandwich with salsa, pineapple mango sauce. Yeah. Smell good. Guys, I'm the one that's in the kitchen today. If I'm taking a break, so I'm taking over. You know, we run the world, girls, so I prepare the food for the man. Chef Christy in the building. Guys, when I hear this sizzle, you should smell it. The aroma nice, really nice.
Yeah guys, it's good to always have a good team who always support the dream. And also Chrissy, I help to grill the chicken breast. Meanwhile, I try to take a wash off because the time is so hot. I swear, even though it's not really good for the run, the heat and I water at the same time. But you know, I just saw it go. Big up to Chrissy, doing an awesome job. Yes, so I'm currently turning the chicken breast. You know, chicken breast is very easy to grill or to cook. So you don't want it to be overcooked. So I'm just gonna toast the bread on the grill. Come, where you see I go on today? What do you mean about that with you? Gotcha. What do you mean about that with you? Thanks, Chrissy, you did an amazing job.
You're welcome.
So I get the lining in the bread. Grilled chicken breast to the Caribbean vibes with a difference. Yeah. Grilled chicken sandwich. So So with the salsa dressing, with the salsa sauce, guys, just add a little black pepper to it, along with a little salt. Just gonna drizzle some of the juice over the chicken breast.
Come on, guys, bite it. Bite it. Yeah, very good. Like here. The sauce and everything. It's nice. It's very good touch, very good.
So guys, I'm gonna try the grilled chicken sandwich with the salsa sauce. You know that stuff. Get in there. Big bite. Tastes really good, guys. The salsa, you see the dripping? Really nice. Thumbs up to Van.
Amazing. The sauce, great. You need to try it.
Come make one for me.
Yes. Evening people.
Come.
Another beautiful Sunday. Wonderful vibe. Caribbean vibe cooking. Oh my God, we did it one more time again. Talman, big up yourself. Brother dog, we are represent for you every time. Just remember, vote. Keep the thing going. Oh my word. I tell you, another beautiful day. Look at this sandwich. Oh my God. So juicy. Take a bite for you guys. Lovely. Do this again. Remember, like, share, subscribe, beat up the notification bell, and also comment.
Yeah, my people, something different today again. I want another amazing day. Grilled chicken breast sandwich, salsa. I want you know what to do, man. Like, comment, and share, subscribe, man.
Yeah, man, beat up the notification bell at all times.
Yes, real good.
And remember, vote Bridget Williams.
I want
all the time.
you can taste the pineapple, you can taste the
Oh
mango.
God, everything.
Yeah, the contrast of both fruits and vegetables. It's amazing. Yeah, man, yeah, Junior Rodas, yeah, Junior Rodas, people.
People. You're not missing out. Oh, guys. This is it.
This is the life, man.
Yeah, man.
Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. And an amazing day again, chilling with the team. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cameraman himself.
You don't see me putting me positive.
Yeah, man. It's not every day we get to highlight him, you know.
So we have to do it.
We have to do it, you know. Yeah. We have to say about the salsa, bro.
Very good.
Man, speechless. The one. It's all about finishing up, guys. What? For another amazing day of vlogging. Go, Chrissy. Another amazing day shooting video for you guys.
Why is that poor people? Why is that? Oh, the free and it's meant to move. Yeah, man. Oh, wait, take water, take water, take water.
So we actually clean up. The stuff them now. You know, like, comment, share, subscribe. So now another video, you know. And once more, we really apologize for the extended delay when it come on to posting video. Now we're having a little challenges when it come on to the internet. We've been out for 3 weeks and the weather wasn't good. So we actually couldn't get to, even if we did even short video, we couldn't actually get to upload any video because the internet just come back after 3 weeks. Sorry about that, people. You know, we'll make it up to you guys.
I mean, you put it in the camera, you know, see?
Yeah, you need to put it in the
camera. Then catch your face, because you have it up.
You don't know that,
I
Chrissy.
mean, everything on me, them look fine.
Chrissy, you don't know that.